Tired of spending an hour on your hair every morning? It's time to embrace the short hair, don't care lifestyle. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Today we are looking at the best low maintenance short haircut that require almost zero styling. Let's find your perfect wake up and go look. First up, the pixie cut is the ultimate time saver. Whether you go for a soft feather look or a bold edgy crop styling, usually just takes a bit of pomade and your finger. And for the bravest, the buzz cut. It's the ultimate low maintenance queen. No brushing, no drying, just pure confidence and a beautiful focus on your facial features. If you want a lot more length, go for the French bob. It's designed to look better as it air dries. The messy lived-in texture is exactly what makes it chic. A blunt bob is another great option. It keeps the ends healthy and looks polished even without a flat iron. Just wash, apply a bit of air dry cream, and you are out the door. Short hair is not just a haircut, is it lifestyle change that gives you back your time? Which of these low maintenance styles is calling your name? Drop a comment with your favorite look. Like this video if you are ready for a big job, and subscribe for more hair inspiration. See you in the next time. Take care yourself and take care your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Stay stylish, stay beautiful. Bye bye.